Finally guys, naisipan na ni Huawei mag-go pro level sa kanyang mga tablet series. And introducing the Huawei Matepad Pro 13.2. It's one of the thinnest and the lightest 13-incher tablet that nahawakan ko. On top of that, meron siyang very powerful na processor inside Huawei Kirin 9000S, which is also present in the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, a better 3rd generation M Pencil, a flexible OLED display, 88 watts na fast charging, and a big battery size. Meron din siyang dalawang magandang camera dito sa likod. And best of all, probably my favorite, meron siyang 6 na speakers na may booming bass. Lahat yan malalaman natin after this quick unboxing. So guys, itong Huawei Matepad Pro na may 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. Right now, naka-promo siya sa Huawei official store sa Lazada at a price point of $54,999. And there's a lot of freebies na pwede na makuha. Just check the link on the description box. Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito sa kanya is quite light itong tablet na ito. This one is weighing at around 580 grams, which is 100 grams lighter than my iPad Pro na 12.9. Now, one of the things na magugustuhan mo rin dito sa kanya is parang mas punchier ang color dito sa tablet na ito. Plus, mas manipis ang bezel niya as compared dito sa iPad Pro na medyo makapal ang kanyang bezels. Now, with thin bezels, sometimes meron siyang kunting compromise. So, makita mo, meron siyang notch dito, which hides the front-facing camera. Now, at the back, we have 2 camera modules. On top, we have your power button and 2 loudspeakers. On the side, nandiyan na ng volume rocker and some microphones. And on the other side, it's pretty clean. Matte finish naman ka na likod, so there's no problem pagdating sa fingerprint smudges. And it also comes with a keyboard cover na magnetic type. Pwede mo rin siyang gawing pang stand ng iyong tablet. At the same time, detachable din ang kanyang keyboard, so definitely it's good. Kasi pwede mo siyang gamiting standalone or pwede mo siya ikabit dito using ang kanyang magnet dito sa likod, which gano'n lang, clip na. What's nice dito sa kanyang keyboard is very responsive siya on every touch, and ang kanyang trackpad dito is very responsive as well. Now, one of the things na hindi ko masyado gusto dito sa kanyang white color is medyo mabilis siya madumihan. So, kailangan nyo bilhan siya ng pouch or sleeve para hindi siya mabilis dumihan. And ang kanyang M Pencil, pwede mo ilagay dito sa ibabaw, so magnet type, so wala kang problema. Ganito na rin siya mag-charge, so you don't need a separate charging dock. Now, since sinabi ko, this one has a flagship level chip ni Huawei, which is the Kirin 9000S, which is also present sa Huawei Mate 60 Pro. It was able to give me a 677,000 points, which is medyo mid-ranger ang kanyang score. The reason bakit mababa ang kanyang score is because 0 ang nakukuha na sa kanyang GPU score, which is exactly the same problem din na nakikita ko sa aking Huawei Mate 60 Pro. Ang kanyang best loop score dito sa PC Mark na stress test, 1,054, pero meron siyang stability na 99.2%. Now, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, malaki ang battery size nito. It has a 10,100 mAh na battery which can fast charge up to 88 watts. So, using this tablet for one whole day, walang problema dahil malaki ang kanyang battery size. Now, nilagay naman natin siya under PC Mark na battery stress test. Nakakuha siya ng 13 hours and 5 minutes na screen on time using 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Now, itong tablet na ito has a 13.2-inch na flexible OLED display, 1,000 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness, and 144 Hz screen refresh rate. And it has a industry-leading na 94% screen-to-body ratio. And kung mahilig ka sa shorts, swipe lang ka lang ng swipe, very smooth ang iyong experience dito dahil sa kanyang high refresh rate. Now, one of the best thing dito sa kanya is pagdating sa entertainment, panalong-panalo siya dahil ang ganda ng kanyang display. Lahat ng panoorin mo dito, be it mga dark scene na movie, mga K-pop na songs, mga basketball games, and mga animes dito, talagang mag-e-enjoy ka dahil this one is a total entertainment package for the whole family and the whole barkada. And this one is, for me, easily a laptop replacement. Now guys, since itong tablet ito has 6 speakers with boosting bass, pakinggan lang natin kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang sound. Grabe, nakakabingi ang lakas ng kanyang sounds. And pag hawak mo yung tablet na ito tapos naka-max ang kanyang volume, mafe-feel mo nanginginig tong tablet na ito dahil sa kanyang bass. So natripan lang natin maglaro ng one game dito, which is the Tower of Fantasy, almost equivalent kay Genshin Impact. This is the maximum graphical setting na sinet natin, 90 frames per second, and extreme ang kanyang graphics. So the gameplay was really nice. I did feel a little frame drop along the way, pero overall the gameplay was really nice. So you can play your favorite games dito without any problem. I would suggest you buy yourself a good controller dito para mas malaro mo ng maayos, hindi mo na kailangan hawakan ng screen like what I did. Now, pag-usapan lang natin quickly ang kanyang camera dito sa tablet na ito. It starts off with a 13MP na main camera sensor and a 8MP na ultra-wide lens, can shoot up to 4K and 30. Ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 16MP which can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. Now, I'm not the type of person na mahilig magkuha ng picture using a tablet kasi ang laki ng kanyang screen, which I think sometimes is a little bit awkward. But since magandang kanyang camera dito, I did take a few shots and here are some of the samples. So you'd be surprised dito sa shot na ito. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. Itong bato na ito, no, one of my favorite shots. And pag nakita mo siya and zoom in mo siya, you'd see a lot of details dito sa kanya, which is not bad. Equally said din dito sa picture na ito, you'd see yung mga alambre niya pag zoom in mo, and mga ugat, and yung mga vines. You'd see a lot of details din dito sa kanya. And even a flower shot like this, you would see pag zoom in mo siya, you'd see mga details dito sa kanyang petal is very evident. Now, if you bring it indoors, you'd see na mga shot like this one on low light condition, it was able to perform. I was really surprised na maganda rin ang kanyang bokeh effect dito sa tablet na ito. And taking some of this low light shot, you'd really be surprised na maganda ang kanyang performance. But itong tumbler na kinuha natin, very sharp and very clear ang photo niya. Now, if you're taking selfie pictures, you'd see na malinaw siya on the front-facing camera. And be it shooting outdoor or indoor like this one, I would say not bad ang mga photos niya. Now, if you're using kanya front-facing camera to take a vlog, which I don't think gagamitin mo siya while you're walking, but I would say not so bad kasi hindi siya masyado ma-shaky while I'm walking. But normally, you'll use a tablet to put it on a table and do some conferencing, not walking and taking a vlog. Tinry ko lang para makita ninyo kung gaano siya ka-stable. But if you're using the rear camera to take in some video, you'd see maganda nga ng resolution but shaky ang kanyang video. Now, ito Huawei Matepad Pro 13.2 is the first one to have a M Pencil 3 na support with near-link na technology. It means that it has better connectivity, 60% better battery efficiency, and meron din siyang low latency din dito as well. So ginamit natin itong pen na to to draw on Mojang Paint and drawing some graffiti on my gadgetsidekick logo na ginawa ni Tensai Creation. You'd see ang smooth ng transition while you're doing yung mga drawing dito, no? It's just like you're drawing using a pen and paper. Ang smooth ng kanyang experience. I would say it would bring out the best in you. Even na hindi ka drawing artist like me, medyo magugustuhan mo mag-drawing dito sa kanya. Another thing na nagustuhan ko din dito sa kanya is ang kanyang W Office na PC edition. You can do everything dito, be it a Word document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation. Lahat pwede mo gawin dito on the fly. Now, one thing na magustuhan mo dito sa WPS Office Edition is that lahat ng kanyang mga menu and taskbar na nasa taas, kompleto, just like a desktop version. So, doing everything on the fly is definitely very efficient. Now, if you want to download all of your favorite apps dito sa tablet na ito, feel free to go to Huawei App Gallery. Lahat ng favorite apps mo nandito na, be it yung Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, lahat pwede mo i-download dito. And of course, don't forget to install Gbox para ma-enjoy mo ang mga Google services as well. Kung gusto nyo makita yung tutorial ko for micro G installation, link on the description. Now guys, ano makukuha nyo dito sa inyong investment na 54,000 pesos para sa inyong Matepad Pro 13.2? You get a big, nice screen, ang ganda ng kanyang display, really rich ang kanyang sound, a good camera, a good pencil na halos walang lag, a good family entertainment display, a full functional keyboard, and a very big battery at 10,100 mAh. Now, if you're interested to buy this tablet, don't forget to check the link on the description box below. I'll be posting the official links from Huawei down there on my description box. Now guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video nito, don't forget to like and share it to your friends. Any subscription to this channel will definitely be awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.